Guys, have you been frustrated before? Like, so it's been long. I made samosa wrap and I do it the normal way. I don't do it this way. This is the easy way. Yeah, I call the other way the normal way. I call this one the easy way. So I got my mixture and everything right, but I would show you where the problem started from. So all you need for samosa wrap is just your flour and salt and water. That's all. So I started by sifting my flour. I made sure everything I used was this smooth part of the flour. Then I added my salt to it and I added water to mix, and I mixed well. Please, if you know how to make samosa wrap, let me know in the comment section what I did wrong, because I have never gotten this method right. Like, I don't know what I keep doing wrong, but I have never gotten this method right, no matter how I try. Because seriously, I'm not joking, guys. I was frustrated. Okay, so I'm already used to buying samosa wrap outside instead of going through the stress, because the normal way is somehow stressful, though not stressful though. But yeah, it's sometimes you're in a hurry, you just want to make samosa and get out of the kitchen, so that's why I prefer buying. But since this way is simple, I decided to try this method, but I've never gotten it right. But I felt, let me just try, I might get it right. Then this was where the problem started from. So everything kept coming out bad. Like, I kept trying different distant method, but everything kept coming out bad. Okay, so this one, I felt the paste wasn't much. That was why it didn't come out the way it was supposed to come out. Then the other round, I increased the paste, but still it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. So let me know in the comment section, what did I do wrong? Like, I don't understand what I did wrong. So I wanted to throw this video away. Like, I just wanted to delete the video and just throw the video away, but I was like, let me just post it because I might get help from here. Because I don't know, I checked some people's video and it is the same way I did it, so I don't know what I was actually doing wrong. Maybe the paste I was putting wasn't enough, maybe, I don't know. But there was a part where I added so much, like it was even as if I wanted to make pancake, but still it didn't come out well. I had to keep using my hand because it wasn't really coming out from the pan, and I was scared of scattering it. So please let me know what I did wrong, because I got everything well, the mixture and everything. So I don't know, let me know, what did I do wrong, or should I stick to my normal way, because this one doesn't want me to learn it. So please let me know. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, so but at the end of the day, at least I got something, and it's not something that would waste. It is something I can still use. So this time around, I decided to, I think, increase it, because I felt, okay, maybe that one wasn't enough, so I decided to increase it. But still, guys, see the way it came out. Like, oh my goodness, I'm ashamed. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know if I should have just deleted this video instead of posting it for you guys to see, because now everybody knows I can't do samosa wraps this way. I'll be showing you how to make it the normal way I know how to make it. At least that one comes out very well and all of that. But this one, I don't know, this one hates me, let me put it like that, because I seriously don't know what's wrong, or I seriously don't know what I keep doing wrong. Because seriously, I was frustrated though. Like, every rap was just pissing me off, and I was like, guy, why wouldn't you just come out the way you're supposed to come out? Why? Oh my goodness. Anyways, if you've not been there, you will not understand. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. Let us know where you're watching from, so we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. Thank you. So now this method I used, now I had to add enough, because I felt, okay, maybe that one, maybe those ones were not enough, let me just add. But still, this one now came out as if I wanted to do pancake. I wanted to do pancake. Anyways, I used the what's it called, I used the wraps for money bag. so I'll be posting the video very soon. So yeah, I had to use it for money back since I didn't want to throw it away. See, I think what was pissing me off wasn't the fact that it wasn't coming out well, but it was the fact that I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I think that was what was pissing me off. So have you ever been in this situation before? Like, have you, like, I don't know, let me know in the comment section, because guys, I was so pissed. Like, I was like, okay, let me just keep trying, maybe one will come out well. Okay, let me just keep trying, but everything just kept coming out like I don't know, but I still feel it came out well. At least I tried. I don't know. Let me know what I kept doing wrong. If you're good with this method, please let me know in the comment section what I kept doing wrong, so that next time I can actually avoid that, so that maybe it will come out well. Please, I would love to make my next video of this with your advice. So at the end of the day, this was what I got. Please don't laugh at me. At the end of the day, this is what I got. I don't know. I felt the whole thing was a mess. Like, oh my goodness. Anyways, I actually removed the sides so that I could get rid of those thick ends. Then I left the middle for the money bag. So yes, this was so at least I didn't waste it. So yeah, I got something out of it. So yeah, this is what I got. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Did it actually still come out well? Like, did I still try at the end of the day? Because trust me, I've never been good with this method. So did it still come out well? Like, if it was you, would you still have been able to use this for samosa? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.